Shalom, dear friends. A question: did Jesus celebrate Hanukkah, or it's just a Jewish feast? Answer is in the Bible: yes, Jesus did celebrate Hanukkah, and he came all the way from Galilee to Jerusalem to be at Hanukkah in Jerusalem temple. But a question: why, when you read New Testament, you don't see their Hanukkah? Because Hanukkah is not in the Old Testament, but in the New Testament. And let me read it for you and to explain in Hebrew that you will understand that Jesus and holy apostles, they all celebrated Hanukkah. John 10:22 says, "Now it was the feast of dedication in Jerusalem." Now, what does it mean, feast of dedication? It's a feast of rededication of temple done by Maccabees, but in Hebrew, dedication is Hanukkah. So let me read it again for you in the way it's supposed to be. Now it was the feast of Hanukkah in Jerusalem, and it was winter, and Jesus walked in the temple in the Solomon's porch. He did wonderful message on feast of Hanukkah saying, "I am the Son of God, I am the Messiah." But it's interesting, as Christians, we lost this feast, and we used to think it's not the biblical feast and Jesus didn't celebrate it, but he did. So have a blessed Hanukkah, feast of light, feast of victory, feast of blessings of the Lord. Shalom from Israel.